how do you become a massage therapist in New York State? Now, massage therapy is a profession that used to not have any licensure at all decades ago, and over the last 30 years or so, most states have moved from no licensure to actual licensure. New York was on the forefront of that and started licensing massage therapists as early as the 70s. And in fact, it has some of the strongest and strictest requirements for getting a massage therapy license in the entire country. So many states have programs that get a license within 500 to 700 hours. Massage therapy in New York State takes 1,000 hours plus of training, and it's much more in-depth on the science portion of it and the anatomy and pathology sides than you might get in other state programs. And so that's the basics. Most programs run anywhere from a very tight 6 months of 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, plus clinic time, like my school back in the day, to almost 2 years of part-time work before you finish all those thousands of hours. And then what you need to do is take a test with New York State that is actually not that easy to pass. The pass rate is somewhere around 80% or so. And then once you pass that test, you get a license for massage therapy that allows you to practice legally in the state of New York.